First responders across the state are hoping the legislature will come back and change part of a bill signed into law earlier this week. Amy Reed shows us why local police say the way it passed does not support them.
Originally, the bill would have allowed first responders to bill workers' comp if they came down with COVID-19, assuming that if they contracted the disease, they likely got it from work, which doesn't always allow for social distancing. But a last-minute change removed that, leaving the Madison police chief frustrated.
All the sort of anxiety and stress that everybody's dealing with in terms of these sort of unprecedented times, the officers are dealing with as well in their personal lives.
Madison Police Chief Vic Wall says he's doing what he can to keep his officers safe.
But then they have to come to work.
So far, protections have worked. No one at MPD has tested positive. If they do, Wall said the new law would make it difficult for them.
The current state of the law in terms of workers' comp and what the expectations are just simply aren't workable. They're not feasible for first responders, especially for police officers. And I think we really owe them more.
Originally, the bill assumed if a first responder contracted COVID-19, they got it at work. An amendment Assembly Speaker Robin Vos added on the floor requires the officer, firefighter, or EMT prove it was work-related with a positive test result from a person they had contact with at work. A difficult task, Wall said, considering testing is limited. That person could be asymptomatic, and the process of forcing someone into testing is cumbersome, to say the least.
That was pretty disappointing, because the original workers' comp provision is actually one that I had made a request to my colleagues and to the governor to put in there.
Senator Andre Jacques has pushed on workers' comp for first responders before. He doesn't get the reasoning of the amendment, and if he could, he said he would introduce a bill to change it. But right now, he's dependent on the Assembly wanting to come back and change this or anything else he wants to see the state do. And while he has to wait, law enforcement does too.
For those officers that may contract COVID-19 or other first responders, I really think that we owe more to them and have to demonstrate that we're going to support them if they say.
We reached out to Speaker Vos for clarification on the amendment, but he did not respond. Earlier this week, leaders from both parties in the Senate showed some interest in coming back and passing more relief for the state, but so far nothing concrete has been announced.